So hi, hello, Eid Mubarak to all the charming members. I hope you are doing great, as it is one of the most famous festival in our country. So I believe that most of the guys, you are hanging out with your friends. So in the same way, today I'm along with my senior boss, as you can see. So we are roaming out here and there, and I hope today we will make our days beautiful, as it is the third day of our Eid. And oh my god, you can see how many people over there, they are roaming around here. They are making their day special. So we are in the same purpose. I hope that this afternoon we will make special. Oh, just have a look over there. Oh, how many crowds. Oh, it's just an incredible crowd here. Oh, I think like people are fully in their Eid mood. Oh, that's a very beautiful place. Oh, so this is the third day of it, and this weather is perfectly okay. There is no any hotness. Even it's cool weather, something like that. Oh, okay, guys. So I think like in Bangladesh, right now we are in our vacation. We are just have a look. Oh, just look how many crowds over there. They are making their Eid special here. Oh, it's huge crowd over there. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. Oh, I think people don't like their home this afternoon. That's why they are outside. There are all the members. There are huge number of people here. But oh my goodness, you can see this beautiful scenery. So it is the side of airport area, just airport area. Oh, huge people. Just have a look. Oh my goodness. Oh. So it definitely means it's somewhat awesome, somewhat beautiful, which has come in our life to make our lives more smoother, more transparent, more blessingful. Oh, that's why people are celebrating this day. Oh, it's huge, people. It's huge. Okay. So guys, if you are highly interested in this Eid, to hang out with your friends, then let me show you some pic in the comment box. I'll be highly pleased to you by seeing your movement in this Eid. And as you can see here, I'm along with my brother. So now I'll ask him some questions. Hi. Yes, he's my senior brother. So brother, I have a question to you, like how much you have enjoyed this Eid? Can you please share something? And I know like you are without your family, but we have make our some moments special. So please say something like how you have enjoyed your this Eid.
Okay, thank you. First of all, I must say Assalamu alaikum and Eid Mubarak to all the members. It's the greatest festival of Muslim Ummah, and we have tried our best to make this Eid joyful. And the special of Eid we spread among us. May Allah shower His blessing upon us. So I'm trying our best to every
Yes, every moment we are making special, every moment we are counting, and that's the meaning of this Eid. So my brother, he was telling about like every moment we are passing gladly as this Eid comes in our life, to be happy, to be blissful. So yes, we are definitely making our Eid special, and that should be the part of our life. After 1 year later, it comes in our life to meet with our relatives, to meet with our beloved members, to share the greetings. Oh, it's like mind blowing. It's like amazing in our life. The Eid plays a vital role. The Eid plays a magnificent role in our life. Oh, this is a quite beautiful place, as you can see. Oh, we are enjoying a lots We have visited so many places, and all the places just outrageous and mind-blowing. And hopefully you guys are doing really great. You are having in your quality time with your family, with your friends. Okay, so stay best. Enjoy your Eid as much as you can. Hope I will meet with you again in another videos. Till then, stay best. Bye and Eid Mubarak.